Now, my boss, Charlie Turner over there, will think that he's got a chance here because he's got four-wheel drive, because he's got a big, shouty V10 engine, and because he's got his Top Gun sunglasses on. But he doesn't. Not a chance. The launch was pretty even, but now I'm off. That might be louder. This is a hell of a lot faster. That's astonishing. Astonishing. I don't know what I was doing when I crossed the line. 130, 140? A lot. How on earth does McLaren find so much traction just from the rear wheels when everyone else needs four-wheel drive? It's witchcraft. Click here if you want to see our McLaren 570S triple test, and click here if you want to see Chris Harris driving the 570 GT. And if you want more great content like this, well, don't forget to like and subscribe.